Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to create AI art using Midjourney. So if you want to turn your ideas into amazing AI generated artwork, just follow. First, open your web browser and then go to the Midjourney website and then sign into your account or create one if you don't already have one. After that, head over to the create section. Now type a prompt describing the artwork you want to generate. It could be something like a magical forest with glowing trees, fantasy art, highly detailed and vibrant colors. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your results will usually be. And once you're ready, submit your prompt and wait a few moments for Midjourney to generate the images. When the artwork appears, you can click on your favorite image to view it in more detail. You can also create variations, regenerate the image, or upscale it for a higher quality version. Just keep in mind that you'll need a Midjourney account and an active subscription to generate images. And that's how to create AI art using Midjourney. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.